What gets you out of bed? What gets you off the couch? What gets you in the gym? It's not your alarm. It's not your parents. It's not your friends. It's you. The only one that can make it happen for you is you.
It's really hard to be led by your butt. But I'm not qualified. But I'm not good enough. But I'm not smart enough. But I didn't go to the right school. But I don't have enough money. But, if you're ever gonna step into your future, if you're ever gonna step into your destiny, you're gonna have to get over your butt.
Walk in the room and I change up the temperature. There is nothing you can do now. They like to assume that they know me from school, but they only know shit that I do now. Only got what you giving, I'm giving them plenty, but I don't say everything. Heard me speak some thoughts on the beat, now they think they know anything. But you don't know me, that's a phrase that I hate, cause it's used a lot. But we just receptors from my recollection, my mind is shot.
direkt rüber, ne? Selbe Geschwindigkeit ungefähr.